So let's recap just a little bit. This is how a textbook is set up. When you take notes, you can follow this hierarchy. And the hierarchy will be obvious to you because the fonts are usually different. The fonts are the same on the ones that have an equal value. Section, section. Sometimes they're color-coded, but definitely the fonts are different. You're going to be looking for categories that talk about relationships, facts, give reasons, conditional ideas and cause and effect, the information that's in categories. You're going to make associations, look for symbols, use abbreviations, and group into short phrases or groups. Within the relationships, we have a lot of things that qualify as a relationship. The information within the text could be discussing opposites, or they could talk about the size of whatever they're discussing. If if you're discussing possibly the size of molecules, or what type of molecule can go through a cell membrane because of the size of it, and some elements are thicker and bigger, and they actually have to be grabbed by the cell and pulled in. Something like water can go back and forth over a cell membrane without using any energy, but something like a food molecule, the cell actually has to open itself a little bit and grab that in. So size would be, that's just an example of it. Family, we've got certainly like a hierarchy of genus and species and kingdom and phylum. That would be an idea of maybe a family discussion of biology. Use, the age, sometimes they're talking about a part of a whole, sometimes they're talking about the whole thing and discussing the part later. Functions you're going to think about, the kinds of groupings, symbols that we could, something that stands for. I think I used a four-leaf clover is a sign of good luck. Real to fantasy, how something works or how something functions. Synonyms, time. If you're biology again, if you're studying prehistoric times, we're talking dinosaurs on that one. Degree. Discuss sequence, biology, possibly your the metamorphosis of a moth or a butterfly starts out as an egg, then it hatches into a caterpillar. The next sequence is a pupa, and then finally the moth or the butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. Purpose, characteristic of the lizard tail that breaks off and then regenerates can certainly get that lizard out of a jam if maybe a predator bit him on the tail. He would just break the tail off and be on his way. These are the things that you're looking for when you are actually taking the note. The notes themselves are written with as few words as possible for you to bring back the information from the whole sentence structure. And also, the note can be taken with pictures or symbols.